This is why in this day and age, being able to work with videos and being a video editor is one of the biggest skills that you can have. It is one of the most important. It will become the most important as we go further in time. And also 90% of online businesses can't live without it. And this is why I'm going to explain, if you are a video editor, you have a great opportunity to take this chance and to start actually providing real value to the market. Because as a video editor, we obviously talked about it a lot. You are responsible for 33% of the video. Because there is pre-production, like ideas, there is production, like recording the videos, and there is post-production, editing. And the good video has to have all three done very well. And if you only control the last part, the post-production, even if a video is very well edited, it won't go viral if the pre-production and the production part is bad. So you can't control a video's success without you being in other areas of the video creation part as well. And this is why I said, if you're a video editor, you should get into other parts of production. But let me tell you why videos, all in all, are important in today's day and age. So we have the funnel here. You probably have seen this. You as a video editor, you probably have watched business videos, so you know what is this. This is top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. You have to think about it as a funnel. You get people go through and then you get the sale. And this is where you have to move them along. Like they sit in a river and they just swim along, right? And as you see, how it usually works is that somebody finds your content and they sign up for your email list. And then you nurture them in emails, you send them emails, so they trust you more. Because people buy from who they trust and who they respect and who they can learn from. Nurturing them and giving them more emails so they trust you more, and also with more content they trust you more. And then if they are ready, they watch the sales video and then they buy or they take a sales call, and then you have to fulfill them. So this is the exact structure for an online coaching business, for example. If we do an example with this, let's say we are teaching guitar, how to play the guitar. Somebody finds your how to play the guitar videos and they watch it and they like it, and you tell to them in the description, hey, if you want to learn 5 chords for the guitar, download this PDF. And for this PDF, they will give you their email. So now you can send them emails like, this is a little trick for guitar, this is how to become better at guitar. And then you send them to a sales video. In the sales video, it's basically, I will teach you how to play guitar in 90 days. And then if they decide to buy or go on the call and they decide to buy, there is fulfillment. You have to actually teach them. So now you understand this. And the reason I told you this is very important. In this online business, it only works if you have step by step built up. Because you can go and think about, okay, how should I fulfill my clients better? How can I give them the knowledge better? And this is a very valid question. This is what you need. Also, how can I make the sales calls better? Very valid question. How can I make the sales video better? How can I make the nurturing better? How can I get more people to sign up? And this is all good questions. This is all things that you have to ask. But if you think about the sales video right now, when you have 0 viewers, it doesn't matter. Because the flow of this online business is not starting here, going here, going here, going here. The flow is people start here, they find your content, they go, and this happens. So if you worry about the sales calls, while you don't have any sign-ups, you don't have any people watching your content, it doesn't fucking matter. Because no one will watch the sales video if you don't have people signing up. And all of this business starts from people finding your content. And this is the base for everything. So now, if you look at this, we understand the top of funnel is finding people who can then join the email list and who can then watch our sales video and give us money. And all of this starts with finding these people. And how do we find the people? With videos. All of online coaching businesses and a lot of other online businesses start with the fact that you find them on social media. And not just organic content, of course we are talking about mainly organic content, but it can be paid content as well, and that's very powerful as well, of course. And point is, people find you. People find you somehow. This is how it starts. They have to find you somehow. And of course, you can do offline marketing, you can do a lot of other stuff, but they have to find you somehow. And in today's day and age, how they will find you is content. Instagram Reels, YouTube videos, YouTube Shorts, Twitter posts as well. It doesn't have to be video. Video just turns out to be a way better mechanism, but Twitter guys make a lot of money as well. Of course, we are not talking about absolutes here. We are just saying that they have to find you. And then they have to join your email list, and then they have to watch the sales video. It doesn't fucking matter what you do in email in the sales video if you don't have people finding you. And this is where you come in. This is where all comes together. You as a video editor, you can help these coaches build their business because you can get them more people to find them. And it doesn't come down to the editing part. It comes down to the whole video production part. Creating long-form videos, but getting good ideas, so people are interested in this, getting good production, so it's easy to watch, and getting good post-production, so it's easier to watch, even more. And editing just makes the video better. I think we all know this. You can't make a bad video go good if you edit. You can just make a good video fucking phenomenal. So the point is that having a good idea, getting good script, good hook, is way more important than editing. Just imagine this. If you have a video about, hey, I just solved cancer, I now have the pill that if you take, cancer is gone forever, do you think that video needs to have good editing in order for people to watch? Do you think there has to be Iman Gadzhi style editing so people watch that video? Of course not. They would watch it regardless. They don't care about the fucking editing when there is a very good idea, very good information in the video. So if you look at this from a video editing perspective, you as a video editor right now, but a video creator in the future, can tell to people that, hey, your business is very good, but you need more people seeing your stuff. You need more people so you can get more sales. Because if there is 500 people here who watch your stuff, probably, I don't know, 200 signs up to the email list. Out of the 200, maybe 100 watches the sales video, and then, I don't know, 20 people buy. That means that to have 20 sales, you have to have 500 people. Now, only if we change something, only if we make this not 500 but 1000, that would mean that we get 40 signups. And it's the same email, it's the same sales video, you just get 40 signups because you increase the more people seeing your stuff. There is a lot going on, and it's not just, hey, this is the only way to grow your business. I want to make this very clear, because if you think about, if you write better emails or if you write better videos, the conversion percentage can go up, and that means out of the 500 you may get 40 and not 20 people. And then if you have 40 here because the sales video is better, then if you get 1000, then you get 80 here. So this is very good as well, this is very powerful as well, but right now we are talking about the top of funnel and why video creators are the future. People who can help business owners, people with skills, create videos that find their ideal audience. And it's not just in this B2C coaching market, it's in B2B as well, creating good case studies. It's in other online businesses as well that doesn't include coaching, in done-for-you businesses as well. Everybody has to create content. If you look at athletes, sports players, they are starting to create mini documentaries. They are starting to create content in order to give them another revenue stream. Or to build their brand, which gives them more money, gives them better contracts. Personal branding is one of the most important things in today's world, and you know this. But this is why. Now you understand why is it important. And as a video editor, you can't grow anybody's brand. You can help them grow, but you are not responsible for anything other than editing. So editing, yeah, creating a good quality edit is good, very important. But it doesn't fucking matter if the video idea is bad. Nobody will watch it. It doesn't matter. So you being a video creator and becoming someone who can create videos, not just edit them, will become the best way to actually sell and make a lot of money. So being a video editor right now is a very good skill to have, because you can advance in that skill, you can become better, and you can become a full-on video creator. And then you are not just making this part, but you can make the sales video part. Or if somebody doesn't do organic but do paid ads, you can do paid ads. You can be the creative guy. And we know paid ads is 70% creative. Maybe. This is very important. Everybody is looking for these people who can create amazing videos. So if you act now and you start learning more than just video editing, you start learning more than just another effect in After Effects, and you start learning more than just analyzing every frame Iman God's new video has, you will become somebody who can create amazing videos. You can become somebody who can find a good video idea, who can actually execute that video idea, and who can edit it so when it goes up to YouTube, you are sure that, hey, this will do good. Don't worry. We know why, we know the exact reasons, this will do good, this will bring you this amount of leads. Of course, in organic, it's hard to say how many leads, how many views, it's kind of unpredictable, but if you have the knowledge, you can kind of predict it. And we don't talk about paid ads because it's much easier to test new different things. And if you have 10 different hooks, because you have the knowledge to create 10 different hooks with 3 different bodies, with 4 different CTAs, and you just test them, you put them together, now that's a fucking valuable service. Now people are like, holy shit, he will test me 10 hooks, 4 CTAs, 3 bodies, and just putting it together in different pieces. Hook 1, body 1, CTA 1, hook 1, body 2, CTA 1, hook 1, body 2, CTA 2. It's just unlimited videos that you can test in ads. And it all comes to your skills, to knowing how to do it. So this is why video editing is one of the best skills to have, but becoming a full-on video creator is the next step in your journey, rather than trying to be the best video editor ever.